How to copy TikTok profile URL link. If you are trying to share your TikTok profile with someone but not sure how you can copy your profile link, just follow these simple steps. Open up your TikTok application first and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you're going to have to find your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once landed on your profile page, you'll find this big share profile option right beside your edit profile. You can just go ahead and tap on it. Now, TikTok will give you a unique QR code to uh, share your profile with others so that they can scan this URL and directly find your profile. But if you want to copy the link, you can just tap on copy and it will be copied to your clipboard. Now, all you have to do is share it with your friends. So you can go to WhatsApp or whichever else platform you want, and then simply paste the link right here. Once someone taps on the link, they will be redirected to your profile. And it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.